this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen that the location and there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Amenities and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can also follow the link provided in the description or the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, then you can tell us about the people who will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon